Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Cloudy cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. On the menu today, we have some spicy and sticky salmon, and we have some roasted miso veg over there, and we're finishing that off with some coconut rice. All of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below. So what are we waiting for, beautiful people? Let's cook. Woohoo! Let's make the marinade for the salmon. Right, so in here we have 1 tablespoon of jerk marinade, we have 2 tablespoons of gochujang, and we have 1 tablespoon of miso paste. And we are going in with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of honey. So let's go. Soy sauce. One tablespoon. Sesame oil. We're going in with 1 teaspoon. Up next, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, followed by some grated garlic. I'm going in with 3 cloves of garlic. Let's give this a mix. Okay. Let's pour this all over the fish now. Okay, right, we just put in some of the marinade over the salmon. And we're going to marinate this for about half an hour. If you have about a couple of hours, then that would be best. But today, I want to eat quickly. So I am just marinating this for half an hour, as I said. But we're still gonna have some amazing flavor on this salmon. So once you've rubbed the marinade over the salmon thoroughly, you're just going to cover it. You're going to place that in the fridge until you're ready to cook it. Let's make a quick marinade for the veggie. In here we have a teaspoon of olive oil, teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, teaspoon of soy sauce, teaspoon ginger, teaspoon miso paste. I'm just going to give that a quick mix. Mixy. And we're just going to coat the veggies into that. Right, so we're going in with the veggies. We have broccoli, mixed bell peppers, okra, and carrot. We're just going to mix this all up to coat it. We want all of the vegetable to get some of the nice marinade here. I think that is nicely coated. As you can see, we're going to cover that and set it aside until we're ready to cook. So I'll see you in a moment. Okay, time to get the vegetables on a lined tray. Just going to spoon it all out. That is smelling absolutely amazing. The oven is already been preheated to 225 degrees Celsius. And we're going to roast these for 15 minutes at 225. And then when we're adding in the salmon, we're going to reduce it to 200 degrees centigrade. So for now, we're just going to pop this in the oven and roast these until it's time to get the salmon in as well. So I'll see you soon. Okay, I've laid the salmon out on the tray already, and I have sprinkled a bit of black pepper on the top, and now we are just going to a little splash of salt. This is going in the oven for about 15 minutes or until cooked. Time for the rice. I'm adding 1 cup of washed basmati rice. To that optional, clove of garlic for flavor, 1 cup of coconut cream, salt, and a pinch of black pepper. I'm adding 1 cup of water to give that a little mix. We're just going to put that in the rice cooker to cook. So I'll see you when it's all done. The salmon and veggie are all done now, so we're going to take them out. I've reserved some of the marinade and I'm just going to reduce it on the fire so that I can spoon it over the salmon when we plate up. I added a bit of lemon juice and a bit of butter on this as well. Look at that. Beautiful. Tastes really spicy with a bit of sweetness. It's absolutely delicious. Let's taste. Fire. Can't wait to eat that. Fire off. And we will get plating shortly. Let's plate up. Perfect. Sprinkling of paprika for a pop of color. Dusting around the plate. Some spring onion. Pop a few around the plate. Top. A few micro salad leaves. A pinch of black pepper. And we have some olive oil here. And there you have it, guys. My spicy and sticky salmon with coconut rice and miso roasted vegetables. How beautiful is that looking? So inviting. Look at that. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Hit that notification button so you won't miss any of my uploaded videos. And let me know what you think of this recipe. Peace and enjoy. See you in the next video. Woo!
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food.